Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use choose call function and choose rows function in Excel. Okay, so and also I will show you how to use choose calls and choose rows function together. So first we will learn how to use choose call function. So choose call function is used to extract columns from any row. Okay, so I want to extract this student column, maths column and this English marks column. Okay, so how to do it? You have to just press equals to, then choose calls function. Okay, then bracket open. Now first you have to just select whole table, then comma. Now it is asking for column number. So the column number is, I want to extract this student section, student column, so you have to press 1. Now I want to extract this math, press 2, and I want to extract this English. So English is 4th column, 1 2 3 4, so you have to enter 4 here. Okay, now just bracket close. So here you will see this is the result. Now I will show you how to use choose rows function. So choose row function is used to extract rows from any table. Okay, so I want to extract here, I want to extract this Ramesh column and Rahul column. Only Ramesh and Rahul with their math, science and English mark. So how to do it? You have to just type choose rows. Okay, then you have to select all the table, comma. Now I want to just extract this first column, first row. Okay, student math, science and English, this title, header. Okay, then I want to extract the Ramesh, so the roll number is 1 2 second. Okay, now I want to extract this Amit. Okay, so this is row number 11. So now 11, now bracket close. So here you will see student Ramesh and Jyoti. Okay, Jyoti is 11th. So student Ramesh and Jyoti. So this is how you can extract rows. Now I will show you how to use choose calls and choose row function together. Okay, so choose calls and choose rows function together use to extract column and rows. Okay, so I want to extract student Ramesh, Rahul and Amit rows and also math and English row from math and English column. So from this table, so what to do? You have to press equals to, then choose. First you have to use choose call, then bracket open, choose rows, then select whole row, whole column, whole table. Okay, comma. Now I want to extract this first. Okay, this is header. Now I want to extract Ramesh, so Ramesh second row. Now I want to extract Rahul, so this is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Rahul is 6 rows. Okay, now you have to just close the bracket. Then now I want to just extract this student column, first column. Okay, now I want to extract maths column, second column and English column, fourth column. Now bracket close. Now you will see only 2 subject and only 2 students row and column is extracted. So like this you can use choose call and choose row function in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.